In 2023, I am using this phone, but in this video, we are not going to see about this phone. Instead, we are going to see about the phone that my dad bought back in 2010, that is the iPhone 4. So my iPhone 4, front and back side, both sides are broken. My goal is to somehow make it usable in 2023. So the first thing to do is switching on the phone. So I am trying it. Oh my god, it looks like the display is good, but the battery is dead. So the next thing is arranging the charger. Here I have arranged a charger. It has been 8 long years since I have charged it. Let me try to switch on it. Oh, it looks like there is no response. So the front screen is damaged, the back side is also damaged, and the battery is completely destroyed. I am not going to end the video like this. I am going to somehow make it alive. So in 2023, is it practically possible to get these front panel, back panel and the battery, whatever fittings required for iPhone 4? Let me try. I am going to take this phone to the official Apple service center. So I went to the nearby Apple service center and the person there saw my mobile phone and said, it is not possible to get these spare parts for this iPhone 4 now. And the Apple doesn't provide any support or service to the phones greater than 6 years. For example, he said like if you buy a iPhone 14 Pro now, after 6 years, you can't get the support or service from Apple service center. So I came back home with confusion next what to do. And after some time I started searching internet. After some 30 minutes of searching in Google, I found a website called maxb.com where it gives accessories for all mobiles. Even older ones it was there like front panel, back panels and batteries, inside screws, everything was available. So I started searching for iPhone 4 in this website and I found that almost all the spare parts of iPhone 4 is available in this website and it is also very cheaper in rate. So I got a plan. Why not purchasing from this website and take it to a local serviceman and fix the phone for me. So now you are seeing the unboxing of the products I ordered from maxb.com. That is the front panel, back panel, and a battery for my iPhone 4. Taking phone to the local mobile servicer, he said that the iPhone 4 is very old and hence the back panel can be changed and the battery can be changed, but the front panel is complicated because the display may get damaged while changing it. So he asked me what to do. So thinking it's better not to take risk and I changed the back panel and the battery and here it is finally. The back panel is ready and it looks like a new phone to me and this is the old panel of the phone and the old battery is here. So we have changed the battery and the back panel now. I don't know whether it is original back panel or not, but it looks like original and it's pretty cool. So let me try to switch this on. It's starting. Let's see what it is going to offer to us. Yeah, so the lock screen, it says there is no SIM. It's unlocked. Actually, I know the password for this because I'm using the same thing. Wow. So here it is, iPhone 4 in 2023. The message app. I think these are the old messages. Multitasking. Everything works fine. It's really smooth. Even when it is 13 years old phone. Just amazing. So let's try camera. Yeah, camera. At the end of the video, I will upload a photo taken from this camera now. You can see it. Still, it's really good. Battery percentage is 100%. It's just amazing. So we have come to the end of this video. It's really cool. It's really working good in 2023. I think 4G won't be supporting in this mobile device, but still you can use for something like voice memos. To conclude, let me know in the comment box. Is it worth taking risk to change the front panel of this screen? Let me know. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe us for more.